Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you some of my favorite Dollar Tree finds, and I have several recommendations that you guys gave me in our last video. So I love all of your suggestions. So as I'm going through the video, make sure you go down in the comments and let me know what your favorite Dollar Tree products are so I can try them out and we could share them in an upcoming video. The first item I want to share with you is this dish drying mat. These are awesome, and I can't believe I can buy these for just $1 at Dollar Tree. If you pick these up at Target or Walmart, you're probably going to spend closer to $10. I love this one in this navy color. It's just really nice, and it would look great in so many kitchens. I love the Crafter's Square. I'm always picking up some of their foam brushes. You guys recommended these to me. Of course, I love them. So this one's a variety pack where you get the smaller ones and you get a larger one. They also have one that just has the smaller ones in it. So if you're at Dollar Tree, just grab a pack of these. They're only $1, perfect for all the crafts. Okay, I know you guys are gonna yell at me because I put this in the last favorite Dollar Tree items, but I love it so much. It's my red double-ended spatula. I love using this to get jelly and peanut butter out of jars. It's the perfect little size to scrape in it, and then you can also use this for all your batters. It's just a really great multi-use tool, and I love it. So I can't believe I forgot to talk about the rocks at Dollar Tree in my last video because I use these all the time, you guys. I love these little white ones. They're perfect for putting in vases and adding in candles. They just really make your DIYs look so high end. I mean, they sell these at Pottery Barn for just crazy amounts when you can buy them at Dollar Tree. So I like the white ones. I also like the real natural stone pebble ones as well. So this is actually a new item that I found at Dollar Tree, and I want you guys to see if you can find it. So over in the party section where they have all the plastics, I found these ice buckets, and I think these are perfect for organization. They really look like a high-end basket with little handles on it. So I think they would be perfect in your fridge, or you could also paint them and use them for any kind of organization. So this next item is a recommendation from you guys. You guys told me that I needed to get the lint rollers and try them out. I know in the past I've used them. I love that you get a little smaller one in here. Now you're not gonna get as many of the sheets as you would with one that you purchase maybe from Walmart, but for $1, I think this is a great deal, and I love that you get a little travel one as well. So when you're going down the stationery aisle at Dollar Tree, you want to pick up some of these magnetic clips. I've used these. These are great. They're very multifunctional. You can use them in your office to hang up any important papers. These are great for your fridge, for putting like school lunch calendars, or you could also, I was thinking they would be fun to spray paint and use for your kids' locker at school. I love these little chalk writers that they sell at Dollar Tree. I prefer these to buying them anywhere else. So they're perfect for writing on chalkboards, dry erase boards. You can even use them on glass. So the Crafter's Square has this really good natural jute cord that I love using in so many DIY projects. It's only $1, and Dollar Tree is definitely the place to get it. I want to thank BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. I know over this last year, things have been crazy, and so it's never been a better time for me to see a licensed professional therapist. And that's exactly what BetterHelp does. They assess your needs and they match you up with licensed professional therapists. You can start communicating with your therapist in as little as 48 hours. It's not a crisis line. It's not self-help. It's professional counseling done securely online. BetterHelp has 15,000 plus counselors in their network, and some of them are even local to you. BetterHelp is not limited to the US, it's also available worldwide. And you can log in at any time and message with your counselor. Plus, you can even schedule weekly video or phone sessions with your counselor so you don't have to sit in a waiting room. I know for me, being really busy, BetterHelp is a great option because I can literally fit it into my meeting schedule. When it's more convenient for me, I'm definitely going to do it more often. It's more affordable than traditional counseling, and they even have financial aid available. BetterHelp wants you to start living a happier life today. I'm going to link it for you down in the description box. You can check it out and see what it's all about. So visit betterhelp.com/DIY-Liz. That's better, H-E-L-P. BetterHelp is offering a special offer for Liz Fenwick DIY followers. You can get 10% off of your first month. Now, canvases are not new at Dollar Tree, but now they have so many different sizes. I just recently found a bigger size. They have them like this, they have like little thinner ones. So you definitely want to check your Dollar Tree for all the different canvases, and I love using them in different crafts. So I don't know any reason to buy things like parchment paper, foil anywhere but Dollar Tree. So I always buy it there. Honestly, I don't use very much of this, so I don't need it in large quantities, but I love getting the parchment paper over in the kitchen section at Dollar Tree. So Moose is just dying to be in this video, so we're gonna let him join for this next one. I wanted to show you guys these multi-purpose scrub sponges. Let me know which scrub sponges you like to use from Dollar Tree. I like these blue ones. They're perfect for cleaning. I like using them to clean out my sink. So recently I posted a Big Lots video and I walked around Big Lots, showed you all my favorite things. One of the things they had were these organizational containers that had handles to it. Well, they were a little bit more expensive than the ones they have at Dollar Tree. I love these organizational containers with handles. They're perfect for putting in a cabinet. You can easily pull them out and put so many things in them. You could put medicine in them, towels, a ton of things. Get a couple of them so they look really nice in your cabinet, but these are a great deal at Dollar Tree. I got so many comments in our last video saying, Liz, you have to show the white measuring cups, but I tell you, they are nowhere around my stores. I can't find them anywhere. So you guys will have to let me know if you can find the white measuring cups in your store. For now, all I can get are the red ones, which I still love because I think they're a great deal for $1, but I'm going to be on the lookout for the white ones. So this is the best time of year to purchase floral moss because I find that in the summer, they tend to have it out more than the rest of the year. So these are great for adding to the top of your planters, or really you could do a ton of projects with these. So I always like to have some of the floral moss on hand. So anytime we're in the RV, I like to have, I don't know, a minimum of at least 5 flashlights in the RV. My kids love them, so if they move around the camper, they can see. We like them for outside. So I love these little flashlights from Dollar Tree. For just $1, they're perfect to use for camping. So definitely florals I buy at Dollar Tree. They have so many varieties and they keep getting better. Recently, I just found some ferns that I'm loving from Dollar Tree. So make sure you always go to the floral section. Just check and see if they have anything new, and they always putting out new seasonal ones as well. We all know that you should be using gift bags from Dollar Tree, but what about their gift boxes? Do you guys like using these for gifts? They're already decorated. You can just put in your items, add a cute little bow. I think they look great for giving a gift. I also use these a lot of time in projects. You could take this box and spray paint it, use it as a planter. I mean, there's really so many options. I like using the lids as well. So definitely take a look at these for your next DIYs or parties. So another recommendation you guys had were these foam mounting dots. You said they were great for paper crafts. I know they would be great for people who like to do journals, but you get a set of 45 dots and they're adhesive on both sides. We cannot forget labels from Dollar Tree. I have a ton of these. Like, let me show you my labels. I keep them up here and I have a ton of labels that I have picked up from Dollar Tree. They just have so many different styles and I always just grab a ton. And then anytime I need a label, they're right here. So all the labels are typically in like the stationery section, but they also have some that are real seasonal. So make sure you check them out and grab them when you see them because sometimes they change out the styles depending on the season. So you're gonna have to let me know down in the comments what your favorite Dollar Tree items are so I can try them out in our next video. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I post 2 DIYs each week and I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.